What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to change the belt on this GY6. We're going to have to start by taking off this variator, and the impact wrench is one of the only ways to really do it. Way easier than having to buy a tool. Here comes the variator. Open it up, look inside. We're going to replace all these rollers, so we'll just take these out. And if you look at, I'm going to show you one. If you look at one, look how it got flattened over driving. We're going to put some new ones in that are the right shape. These are the new rollers. These are sliders, not rollers. These are Koso sliders. When you put them in, you want the flat part facing up. And then just put them all the way around. Once they're all in, you put this retainer on. It holds in. Then you just slide it to the back. We take our belt. It's always good to give it a little start if you can. Sometimes it's really tight, but right there, see how I put some pressure on it and squeeze it? Now it's on super easy. We take the variator fan, get it started, take your nut and your impact. Tighten it down a little bit, then spin it. Tighten it again. Now we got a new belt on there. That's all it takes to put a new belt on a GY6. After it's installed, it's good to start it up and check it. Seems to be working perfect.